Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to delete Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open our Facebook on your device and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. Once you logged in, tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal line on the right hand corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Once you land on the settings page, click on See More in Account Center, the highlighted blue text. Now select Personal Details. And now select Account Ownership and Control under the Personal Details. From here, select the Deactivation or Deletion option. Now select an account. And finally, from here, you can decide whether to delete the account permanently or deactivate for a short period of time. Once you're done selecting, press the Continue button. And you're done. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.